Hey folks, I'm HP and this is Dr. Pink. Today I'm going to try something new. A blues guitar duo, a little bit in the style of the song Gone Shooting by AC/DC, but it's basically a track of mine. The Sheriff is the pattern of the Sheriff of a song of mine. And let's listen how it sounds. We're going to learn both guitars, which are played now. Yeah, so let's first start with this little pattern here, which is very cool. It's play the finger picking, so let's get into that. It's a riff in E, so we're playing the open E string here in the 5th, in the 4th. So let's first see the chords before we check the rhythm. So first bass note, and then here 5th, 4th fret, then go here to 3rd, 2nd fret, and then we make a A with E in the bass. We're in the 3rd fret here, make a barre over the D, G and B string. So here's only 2 strings, B string, G string, 5, 4, move down to 2 frets, and then comes this little figure, play the open G string and then hammer on 1st fret, 2nd fret, D string. So another rhythm is first 1 and so first the bass and in 8, so 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 1 and. So it's in 8s, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and here's the clack on the 4. See? And on 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And clack on 4. First time is like this. Second time. And then we make 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, clack, and on and 4 and 2, 16 dead notes. Then D5. We play the middle 4 strings here. And so 1, 2, and on 2 and comes the F, not F, A, sorry. And on 4, the bass notes. So this comes on 4 in the 3rd fret, on the E string. So. Then the first thing comes again, and then pretty similar. And then again these dead notes, and then G5 here, in the 3rd fret, A string is damped, E string, D string and G string open, and A5. And that's it. Back here on the and then on count 1 we have make this stop 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole thing is a little bit complicated, but yeah, you all are talented, so there's no problem. Guitar number 2 is much easier, it's like this. So the middle parts are the same as on guitar 1, but the groove here is this one here. So 1, 2, it's a E5. Here we make a bar, second fret, and with finger picking we do 1, and on 2 we make this clock 1, 2, and on 2 and we make the bass note 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. It's like this: 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Always on the end we make the, when we start together 1, and on 2 we make the clock, on 1 and 2 and we make the bass note, then twice the upper 2 notes, then comes the clock again, and then again the bass note. That's basically what happens: 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And the middle parts we do the same as the other guitar. Let's see how it sounds with the track. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was now the first tutorial with 2 guitars. Give me any comments if you would like to have more stuff like that, how to work arrangements out with 2 guitars. Like one guitar makes this, the other guitar makes this, and to learn both guitars probably really makes sense. So if you want to play with your friends, so you can show your guitar pal, okay, I play this part, you play the other part. And so that's basically the idea of today's tutorial. So leave me your comments below. What do you think about this? Because this is now kind of a testing tutorial. And yeah, then we see on your reactions how you like that one. And yeah, and follow me on Instagram, HPCrazy, or on Facebook, by the way. And probably I should do a Snapchat account, Dr. Pink. But I don't know. Okay, that was it. See ya.